Today, we're diving into our technical SEO troubleshooting guide for 2025. Technical SEO issues often fly under the radar, but they can significantly impact your site's performance. First, it's important to understand that these problems can confuse search engines and frustrate users. Haver 1. Identifying issues. We'll look at how to spot common technical hurdles that could be hurting your online visibility. 2. Fixing problems. This guide offers clear, actionable steps to help you resolve those issues effectively. 3. Consequences of ignoring them. Neglecting technical SEO can lead to poor user experiences, and that often means higher bounce rates. Just make sure to emphasize this point. As we move forward, we'll also explore how these technical issues affect crawl budgets, ranking positions, and your site's overall authority. Let's make sure we have a solid understanding before diving into the specific impacts of these issues. They didn't see it coming. Months of content, thousands spent on PPC, top-tier backlinks, yet traffic flatlined. Why? A single misplaced slash in a canonical tag. It's the silent killer of SEO. The technical stuff. Unlike content or backlinks, these issues don't shout. They whisper. Through wasted crawl budgets, diluted ranking signals, link equity lost in redirect loops, and users bouncing within seconds. Here's the truth. Technical SEO is your site's nervous system. If one wire misfires, the whole body stumbles. When search engines waste time crawling broken pages, your best content gets ignored. When dead-end links multiply, your authority leaks like a sieve. And when users hit confusing UX traps, they don't complain, they leave. Mastering this means thinking like an architect, not just a marketer. Spotting invisible errors, solving problems before they poison performance. Because technical SEO doesn't just support your strategy, it quietly decides whether it lives or dies. In 2019, a major e-commerce brand lost 40% of its organic traffic overnight. The culprit? Dozens of product pages with nearly identical content, scattered across minor URL variations, different colors, sizes, filters. To Google, it looked like a spam farm. Search engines crave clarity. But when your site repeats the same message across multiple URLs, you force them to guess which version matters. And they often guess wrong. That's where strategic thinking comes in. Canonical tags don't just tidy things up, they declare intent. 301 redirects consolidate authority, like routing all your troops to a single front. No-index tags let you tactically remove pages from the spotlight without disrupting your site's structure. And rewriting similar content? That's not busy work, it's brand voice refinement. The goal isn't just to fix duplicates. It's to orchestrate a site where every page earns its place and contributes to your long-term rankings, like a precision-tuned symphony. In 2022, a global news site lost 18% of its traffic because a single developer renamed a folder. No redirect, just hundreds of articles, suddenly orphaned, no alerts, just silence, and a slow, invisible bleed. That's the danger of broken links. They erode trust, not just with users, but with search engines. A user hits a dead end, they bounce. Googlebot hits a 404, you get pushed down the crawl queue. Now multiply that by dozens of URLs, hundreds. It's decay at scale. That's why detection isn't optional, it's foundational. Use tools like Screaming Frog, Ahrefs, or Google Search Console religiously. But don't just fix. Design for resilience. Build smart redirects. Curate internal links. Monitor structural changes. And always, always audit. Because every broken link is a signal. And in SEO, every signal shapes your fate. One overlooked 302 redirect cost a media publisher over $60,000 in lost ad revenue because Google kept indexing the wrong URL for 3 months. Why? The dev team marked it as temporary, then forgot. Redirects aren't just shortcuts. They're signals, powerful ones. A 301 says, "This page has moved permanently. Trust the new one." A 302? It whispers uncertainty. "This might change back. Don't get too comfortable." If you're managing a site migration or consolidating content, using the wrong redirect is like handing search engines a map drawn in pencil. It smudges authority, confuses indexing, slows crawling, and worst of all, breaks user trust. Redirect strategy isn't just technical hygiene, it's reputational architecture. Know when to use a 301. Know when a 302 makes sense. And above all, avoid chains and loops. They're invisible performance killers, and they multiply fast. Redirects are the traffic signals of your domain. Misconfigure them, and traffic gets lost, literally. In 2021, a SaaS company lost its top-ranking product page, not because of an algorithm update, but because an expired redirect went unnoticed for 2 months. No error messages, no alerts, just slow, silent decay. That's the cost of reactive SEO. By the time something breaks, you've already lost visibility, traffic, and trust. Proactive maintenance flips the script. It's not firefighting, it's foresight. Monthly audits catch early warning signs. Link inventories prevent users from falling into dead zones. Redirect maps reduce crawl confusion and protect your authority flow. And optimizing crawl budgets, that ensures Google spends time where it counts, on high-value content, not junk paths. Think of it like tending a high-performance engine. You don't wait for the warning light. You tune it regularly, track fuel, clean the filters. That's how elite sites stay sharp. Sustainable rankings don't come from heroics, but from habits. Now, let's talk about the essential technical SEO tools that can elevate your website's performance. Using a combination of these powerful tools is crucial for comprehensive technical SEO monitoring. They not only help you identify issues, but also enable proactive management of your site's health. 1. Automated alerts. Set up automatic alerts for critical issues to ensure you're immediately informed of any significant problems. This allows you to act quickly before they affect your rankings. 2. Regular reviews. Make it a habit to conduct regular reviews of your site's technical health. Consistency is key to maintaining strong SEO performance. By actively monitoring and managing your technical SEO, you can ensure your site remains competitive and accessible to both users and search engines.